Today, I wanted to tell you regarding one big mistake or one thing which is most underrated on Google Ads platform, which is causing you a huge loss in your conversions, sales, and money. So, you are losing on a lot of money and you are losing a lot of conversions, or you are missing a lot of conversions due to this one underrated thing. So that is, after doing audits, like I've been doing Google ads from 2010 and SEO from 2006, and based on the audits I have done, you know the negative keywords is one such thing which is very underrated. I know that all of you may not have time to figure out, but guys, negative keywords is a next big thing which people are ignoring. Ideally, I recommend people to at least add them on weekly basis, if not daily, but the least you can do is at least add them on monthly basis. Now this is the very least that you guys have to do, is to on monthly basis you have to add negative keywords. Now you can find your negative keywords in your search term reports and keep on adding them. Now I'm going to show you some on the accounts and then discuss over here. So now, for instance, this is another account, and let's say I'm going to show you one of the campaign over here. Let's go from here. That is, you may see over here that the keywords which are now posed are also indirectly part of negative keyword. So this is exactly your negative keyword, and you can add them based on your campaign level or on your ad group level or on the account level. Now you may see that we are now progressively adding negative keywords. When we started, this was only single keyword, and you may see over here that how much list have evolved, and right now there are 217 negative keywords. Now if you wanted to find out on how you can find, simply you may see over here and go to your search term report over here and see around on the keywords which are not generating good conversions or generating worse conversions, and your cost per conversion is very high on them. Simply we have to add them in our negative keywords. Now for instance, this keyword has got 47 clicks and the cost per conversion over here is $323, and our average cost per conversion is $24. So you may see around this is costing you a fortune. And similarly, these are over here which are causing you a lot. And even if I move on to the conversions and I want you to see the keywords which have zero conversions yet clicks over here, yet clicks like 6 key clicks over here and zero conversions, this needed to be added in my search term report as a negative keyword. Now I'm going to add in front of you. So you may see over here that I'm going to add in the campaign level, because this keyword is costing me a fortune. Now it's always a good practice to have them added on weekly or at least monthly basis, because the keyword list will keep on evolving. Different people may search through different ways. You may be creating new campaigns, doing new testing, so you may need to update your keyword negative keyword list all the time. And if you only solve this one underrated thing of negative keywords, I can guarantee you that you will notice improvement in your conversions, improvement in your conversion rate, reduction in your CPC, improvement in your quality score, which will also help you in reducing your CPC. So this one underrated thing can increase your sales and you can make more money through it. So never underestimate this thing. I hope you like this video, and in case if you want to see more videos like this, you have to subscribe to my channel. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup or management services, or web development services, or Google Merchant Center, Google Ads, Google Local Ads, Google Map Ads, or web development, Shopify development, Meta Ads, SEO services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Bye bye.